Hello guys, review Lenovo Tab M7. This version LTE, 32GB RAM memory, 32GB Intel memory and 2GB RAM memory. Start unpacking, look compactation. Okay. In compactation we have protected film on display. This adapter for charging and micro USB cable and key for SIM slot. Okay. Device made of plastic. On the back side camera, on the front side display 7-inch, front camera talk speaker, on this side slot, on this power key and volume keys, downside micro USB port, microphone and upside headphones jack. Turn on tablet. Okay, device turn up. We have display HD. Okay, and open Geekbench 5, talk about system information. We have CPU MediaTek MT8765, this quad-core processor, CPU speed 1.3 GHz and GPU PowerVR G8100. Resolution display PPA. Okay. Test. Look results of CPU test. Results of CPU test. Okay. And look onto the benchmark score. Under the benchmark score, okay, and run demonic game Guitar Sound OS. Look how Guitar Sound OS work on the device. Okay, this medium graphic level. Game works with little lags, but we can play. Okay. And that's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.